It's summer, and you've got to keep your house nice and cool. Unfortunately, the electricity bill is not so cool. These days, utilities are just getting more and more expensive. Rather than using your air conditioning, try using a whole house fan. It turns the air in your home over 10 times an hour, for just pennies per day. A whole house fan is an excellent alternative to air conditioning. The Whole House Fan Company, a locally owned business for 40 years, can install a revolutionary whole house fan to replace the air in your home, resulting in a healthier indoor environment and better quality of life. This cost-effective solution also operates very efficiently, all while running quiet enough that it won't disturb your sleep. So turn on a cool breeze with a whole house fan today. Request your free in-home estimate now.